Hey dolls, welcome to Nailed It. My name is Lizzie G, and today I'm gonna do this really simple but really pretty design for Valentine's Day. I was about to do my extensions, but I think my nails, my natural nails, look pretty good because there's some people I know that they don't like extensions or they have really pretty shape on their nails and they just want them short. So this design is gonna be just for you. So if you like short nails, and if you want something for Valentine's Day that is really pretty and really simple, keep on watching. Alright you guys, this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You don't need to have a long nails to have a beautiful and really easy design. I hope you guys like it. So I see you guys on the next one. But for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah!